Hi. In this course, we try to use the famous logos that we saw a lot on the internet to learn how to fully process a logo and make a professional animation from an image. Well, to start, we import an image of a logo, click on this section, and select and import the image. First of all, make a new composition. From here, composition, new composition. For the logo animation, duration about 10 seconds is sufficient. Insert the logo file into the timeline. Press S to show the scale. We increase it. Here we can make a composition which is now black to the same color as a white background logo. Select composition setting from the composition section and we can select the background color exactly the same color. In the animation logo, we usually divide the logo we have into different layers so that we can move each part in any way that we want. For example, in this part, we can separate the text from this part of the logo, which has a circular shape. Now, we can do this with two techniques. First, to draw on the same layer with a mask and divide it into two parts, or take this logo file in a program like Photoshop and layer it there, and then import that Photoshop file into After Effects. Now, we want to draw a mask. On this part, we can select the layer and click Shape and draw on this part. Now only this part is displayed. We also, when we want apply the motion, this part only visible. Now we duplicate this layer, Ctrl D. We erase the mask with draw. This time we will mask the right part and the text. Now you can see this layer is only the left part of the logo and this layer is the text. Now we want to do the same thing in Photoshop. We just need to open the photo file of the logo we had in Photoshop. All we have to do here is select rectangular from elliptical tool and select the left part of the logo that we want to separate. Copy it, Ctrl C or Command C in the Mac, select new layer and Ctrl V, Command V. Now, if we close the main layer, you will see this part copied in the new layer. And do the same thing for this part. Select this part, Ctrl C or Command C in Mac, create new layer and Ctrl V. Now you can see the whole logo are selected in two separate layers. Now zoom in. If we want to delete this white part and get a PNG output from the file that doesn't have a background, we can select the white part from the Magic Wand tool and delete it. Select white part and delete. You see all the white parts are gone. Select layer 1, select white area and delete it. You can see now the all white area erased. Get the output layer as follows. Select file and select export and select quick export as PNG. In this case, that the file saved with PNG format, which has no background and is in one layer, or save as in PSD format. When we import the PSD file to the After Effects program, layer can be used separately. So it is better to save the file with the PSD extension because we want the layers to be separate. Okay, now go to the After Effects program. If we import this file, it will ask us if it is editable style or merge style, and we will select the editable style. Now we see how the layers are separate here, and we can easily select this layer and enter the timeline. Okay, select layer. Press S to show a scale. Now, if we want to move any of this, they move separately. Exactly like when we made a mask.